Hey, what's up everyone? Hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn a good habit of reading books and we will look into how to start reading a book. Welcome to the YouTube channel Physics Short and Simple. Now that you have searched to know about reading, you eagerly want to develop a reading habit but you are facing one of these issues. Number 1. Lack of interest or motivation. Number 2. Lack of discipline or patience. Number 3. Lack of vocabulary. Number 4. Slow reading pace. In this video we will overcome them one by one. I was not able to read a single book for many years and now I have read more than 20 books since I have started reading a year ago. Please watch the video till the end as I will be sharing a secret to read faster and how to read 4 books a month. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos and press the bell icon as I will be posting reviews of every book that I have read. Let's begin with why you should be reading books. Reading a book and meeting with a person are same things. Just like you have a conversation with another human being, the writer speaks to you through his book. Lifelong knowledge of the writer is hidden in his or her books. An autobiography contains important life lessons throughout his 50+ years of experience. A book can be a good mentor. Single book can change your life. You will hear a lot of stories from the people who found the last piece of the puzzle in a book that completely changed their lives. An entrepreneur has to keep reading a book per month to stay above the competition. Self-learning is the best form of educating yourself. Yes, that is true. It is cheap and keeps you adaptive. Reading a book stimulates your creativity. Well, definitely, you will find yourself imagining things that you would have never thought about, just by reading a good book. If you are motivated to start reading, then let's find your interest to begin. First of all, look for the books that are aligned with your dream, books that will help you gain skills that are required to achieve your goal. It could be the biographies of the people that you admire. If your dream is to earn money, then start reading business books. In fact, I tried reading many books before I started reading with Rich Dad Poor Dad and I was able to finish it within a week, because that book was aligned with my goal of earning money. I would recommend this book if you are a beginner, and then you may also read Millionaire's Fast Lane and 4-Hour Workweek. If you know your favorite genre of movies and TV series, then that is most likely to be your interest in books as well. If you like fiction, then you can start with Inferno, Da Vinci Code, Harry Potter. You might be interested to know various cultures around the world, so you should read culture, history and heritage books. If romance is your favorite genre, then I would recommend The Notebook and The Proposal. Above books are so good that some award-winning movies have stories taken from them. Reading a book requires discipline. Start slow and read daily. Have a daily goal of reading at least 20 pages. As mentioned earlier, treat a book like a person. Schedule a daily appointment with a book. That time should be your time for reading only. Keep away your cell phone. You might think that watching a review or movie of the book will tell you everything about the book. Then let me tell you straight that reading a book and watching same movie are two different things. Movies don't capture all the interesting pieces of the book. It takes reading just one book to make it a habit. You will be motivated and confident about finishing another book and so on. Let's overcome another obstacle of lack of reading pace and vocabulary. Vocabulary will increase with practice and that will automatically increase the reading speed. Keep a dictionary alongside if needed in starting and note down the new words that you learn. Use these new words in your day-to-day conversations. Pronounce what you read. Keep a pencil while reading and guide your eyes with it. That will keep you focused throughout the book. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you liked this video, then don't forget to like, share and comment down below your favorite genre and the first book that you want to read or have already read. As promised earlier, I am going to reveal a trick to read faster. As you read, you don't have to focus on all the words. Omit less important words, for example, is, are, in, etc., which are also called as stop words. These words occur frequently and don't add meaning to sentences. Develop a habit of scanning important words. Just like shown in this sentence. This way you can easily read one page in 2 minutes, and if you read just 2 hours per day, you will be able to finish 4 books in a month. Let us know in comments on which topic I shall be making my next video.